Okay guys, we're just finishing up here. What I'm doing now is I'm putting 1/2 inch, these are all 1/4 inch staples I used here with the industrial upholstery stapler. Now what I'm doing is I'm putting some 1/2 inch staples in. Just to make sure it gets held down. So you see these aren't going to hold. Especially when my big butt sits on here. So we're going to put some in. Oh. Okay, it should do it. Now what we'll do later on is I have a lot of material left. What I'll do is I'll fold the material over and I'll iron the edge, and then we'll glue it over all this. We'll make like little sections to go in here, glue it down, we'll cover all this. That's it. Now this might wrinkle once I sit on it. If it does, I'll have to heat it up and we'll stretch it out again. Let's go put it on the bike, see what it looks like. Not bad, guys. Tonight I think I'm going to take it to work. We'll try it out. What I'm going to have to do, see the middle doesn't bow, but I think what I'll do is I'm going to put a bumper underneath there a little bit longer than I want to have. As I sat it on already, it doesn't really bow at all. I'll let you guys know how it feels.